Matthew again, and today is 16th of November 2022, and here we'll be trading the jump 100 index, rise and fall, and we are trading the volatility 25 1x. So we have a trade going on. There, and we have some seconds left. Right here. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you. Okay, as you can see, we won that trade right there. We made 4.77 USD because it's rise and fall, so the profit margin is almost 95%, 95.something% right there. As you know, rise and fall comes with huge risk and also huge rewards. So once you log into your account, let's get back to the trading. Once you log into your account, it is smarttrader.deriv.com. Once you log in, you go to the synthetic indices, you click on it, then you go to volatility 25 1x, then you go to the trade type, you click on rise and fall right there. Once you do that, we are going to set these durations to 32 seconds, and you can set the amount you want to stake, depends on what you have in your account. I leave mine as 5 USD. So we're going to be watching the last two numbers there. Once it's between 0 to 15, that's anything 0 to 15, you can place the trade. You click on the higher, you can place the trade once it's between 0 to 15. So 1 can show up, 2, 3, that's 9 there. So then you click on view. It has to be 0 to 15, between 0 to 15. So make sure you watch carefully. So you place like 4 or 5 trades. We've been testing this strategy for a while now. Maybe you just lose one trade, you will still end up in profit. If you place 5 or 6 trades, you lose one trade, you will still end up in profit. So because the margin is high. So as you can see the gap there, and we just have 4 seconds left as the remaining time right here. So we already won that trade there. So we won that trade. So you can see, if you follow this and master the movement very well, then you check the timing before you place the trade, you always win when you are using this strategy. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Subscribe to all our channels, and if you haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER book and the PIPSREAPER book, this is the TOUCHSCALPER book right here, and this is the link to purchase the books, TOUCHSCALPER.citywide.technologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well as the PIPSREAPER boat. To order the boat, visit PIPSREAPER.citywide.technologies.com.ng to order the boat. Then don't forget to download the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, which comes with 4 free Forex. Then when you also purchase our boat to get all this for free, the 4 free boats will be included, and the automated Forex trading boat as well. This boat right there. So download the Forex ebook as well. The Forex ebook also include the free Forex trading boat. These are the links. Let me show you the links. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER book. We're going to paste all these in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER book, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER book. Then this is a link to sign up for a trading account. That's a binary options trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, sign up using this link. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. As the first channel, this is the second channel, and the third channel. Subscribe to all the channels for more updates and strategies. Then for the ebook, the Forex trading ebook, the free Forex trading ebook with the free Forex trading book, sign up first for a free Forex trading account using any of these links right here. We are going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. Then these are the links to download the Forex ebook. You can use any of these links to download the Forex ebook. It includes the Forex trading robot, the free Forex trading robot. Then for the synthetic indices ebook, this is the link to download the free ebook, which has the 4 free automated trading book to trade binary options. Then you can read the tutorials on our forum. Thanks for watching. Bye.